Hello world, siema, dzień dobry wszystkim, I'm Damian from TheMonkeys and today is another day in Bali. I'm in, well, on this side of the street is Seminyak, on this side of the street is still Legian. This is Jalan Arjuna or 66, Seminyak Legian, Kuta sometimes. I believe this name of the street has changed already a few times. But well, Jalan Arjuna currently, or 66. Behind me is horizon for the maid Graham. I hope so you keeping well and watching this video, and the currently situation on this street leading to 66 beach looks some shops currently are finally open, but still many of them, like especially in this spot right here and on this side, are closed. I'm gonna lead today to the 66 beach, which is probably one of the most popular beaches in Seminyak area. So enjoy, guys. Here is supposed to be some shop, silver shop. It is Jalan Arjuna, but on the other side of the street is Jalan Arjuna 66. Little cafe, little coffee shop, and another one. So if you're leading into this direction all the time, there will be the 66 beach, very popular beach with the, some people maybe more likely recognize the 66 Hotel and La Plancha. So heading into this direction. Improvement, definitely some shops are open and they have a lot of stock. Some of them, they are of course still closed. It's about, well, 30% are open, 70 are still closed. Still situation regarding the visas and the quarantines and in general entry to Bali is still not clear. It's still, well, still obviously difficult to get here. Bali open, but actually it's not really open. We make few videos in the past, you can watch them if you are interested how to come to Bali and how's the visa procedures and in general stuff like this. So today little bit of Jalan Arjuna 66. This is the Legian corner, used to have a radler here quite often. It's open, all the time open, and well, leading now to 66 beach. Let's see how it's gonna be today. There is also Jalan Kudara. There are some hotels there and you can lead to Legian, but this area is deserted totally. I make a few videos. Last video got 630,000 views, by the way. Actually quite many small warungs, like shops like this one, but also eatery warungs, some shops, boutique shops, and also few sports bar and hotels actually also as well. Local, this is like more deep inside the gang, deep inside the town, the street situation for everyone who prefer vibe like this. And it's of course accommodation cheaper than staying in 66 Hotel just by the beach. But 66 Hotel is actually one of the most popular in this area, and the shops like this with the, well, you can buy the Lakers shirt, jersey and stuff. Hello. How are you? Good, how are you? Alright, just arrived to the 66 beach and 66 Hotel. There's some tourists behind me even. The girls gonna go now to the beach. Let's see how's the life by the beach. So that's the comprehensive review of 66 beach. Some warungs, some people, but it's not as that busy as we could all of us expect. Also this week is gonna be quite more busier than previous one because the Nyapi Day or Silence Day is coming after tomorrow. So tomorrow we're gonna talk more about the Silence Day, Nyapi Day in Bali. This year also Ogo will be possible, but with some restrictions and not all village gonna do it. So more about the Nyapi Day and the Silent Day or Balinese New Year tomorrow. Anyway, this is the 66 beach. Very nice beach, very wide, with the, especially when it's the low tide, but not so much is happening. Also behind me is the hotel, and I'm not sure if gonna be any kind of sunset currently today. Sunset's supposed to be just over there, but let's see. So this is 66 Hotel. If you ever gonna stay here, that's just the tip. That white building over there is Discovery Mall in Kuta, and you can walk bicyclically from this area, passing the Kuta, Legian Beach, Seminyak Beach, up here, up to La Plancha, which is probably the most popular kind of small beach club in Bali, especially in Seminyak. and you can walk there by Kudeta and Canggu, obviously, and this is like a one very long beach. And let's see how is La Plancha at the front. Seems quite busy as always anyways. Also, I think I forgot to mention, except that as after tomorrow is Nyapi Day, Silence Day, Balinese New Year, very important event through Balinese community. There's also some Indonesian holidays in this week, so everybody expecting us will be a little bit some tourists coming from other islands of Indonesia, especially big cities like Jakarta and Surabaya. Anyway, let me know in the comment section if you would like me to go next month, this month, to Jakarta, Surabaya, Yogyakarta, or maybe somewhere traveling across Java Island. I had some friends who told me it would be a great idea to go there and make a few videos, so I also want to ask you about that, because you're obviously my subscriber and most of you will watch it or not, and I'm just very curious about that. Let me know in the comment section, especially well, this is loud music over there. This is La Plancha, and it's actually not as that busy as it was when I was vlogging here last time. I remember when I used to vlog last time here like 2 or 3 weeks ago, I think it was busier, but yeah. Also, I would like to say a few words regarding the current situation in Europe. Between Russia and Ukraine. I think most of you or everyone actually already heard at least what's going on about the conflict between these two countries in Europe. First of all, thank you so much for everyone who asking me how is my family in Poland. All is great. They are not touched by the conflict. Actually, Poland is even supporting Ukraine quite a lot. A lot of people who are, well, I think I can say refugees who escaping the country where is war. This is not offensive to them. Anyway, people who escaping Ukraine, they're coming to Poland and Polish government is taking quite a lot of people from Ukraine and also supporting them. Well, also the situation between the people who are here, Russian and Ukraine, they are living actually together very happy in harmony, because they also speak Ukrainian, people speak Russian, so they keep together most likely. It's also a little bit hate regarding me, some people thinking as I'm Russian and saying bad comments into me. I'm sorry, I'm not Russian, I don't speak Russian, I don't have anything regarding the Russia, so people making a selfie behind me. Today quickly from Seminyak 6 and Jalan Arjuna and 6 beach. I hope so you enjoyed today. Very little slow vlog, maybe little boring for some of you. If so, I'm so sorry, but I'm doing vlogs every single day. Many of you I actually really like videos like this, so I hope so you enjoyed this one today as well. Thank you so much, and as always I will see you tomorrow on next one, just day before Nyapi. See you tomorrow.